We face a lot of difficulties in cleaning the chip which is falling during machining operation. This chip will be sedimented inside the coolant tank, which creates a lot of problems. Removal of these chips includes a lot of manual timing and a lot of cost involved in that. I am Jay Kumar, proprietor of JKS Engineering. JKS has come up with a solution of chip removal machine. This machine removes the chip from the coolant tank without shutting down of the machine. And because of this, we can increase the concentration of the fluid inside the tank, which increases the tool life and concentration of the fluid, quality of the material, as well as surface finish of the product which we are machining. JKS Engineering also deals with precision accessories that are required for CNC machine tools. I am also happy that I am collaborating with HPMT Cutting Tools and MST Tool Holding Devices, oil mist collectors, and also tramp oil cleaning machine. We have showcased our all products at INTEC 2026. And I am proud to invite you all to visit our stall at Hall D, stall 122.